Wrote this one with Bates and Autumn McEntire. This was in quarantine, so not too long ago. And it's called Two Birds, One Stone, and it's a really sad marriage song, and I promise I'm super happy in my marriage. My brand new marriage. But I love a good sad song, so this is one of my favorites. You loved me, and I loved you. You bought me a ring, 'cause that's what people do. That shiny thing stole me away. Is it supposed to burn my finger too? We made the jump, we learned to fly. Sparrows in a storm, but we were good for a while. Too young to know, but we sure found out that little rock's got a way of dragging us down. Two birds, one stone. Broken wings and hearts only make a broken home. Said till death do us part, but we killed it on our own. Two birds, one stone. We play house, we get along. Together forever, shouldn't feel this alone. We're headed south, fast and far. Let's call it what it is, 'cause baby, all we are is two birds, one stone. Broken wings and hearts only make a broken home. Said till death do us part, but we killed it on our own. Two birds, one stone.